Nigerians, you see this woman, a Yoruba woman, oh, you see the reason why Igbo will always be on top. We love everybody. You see, we be Igbo, we love everybody.
This woman that you are seeing on my screen, this woman that he attached on top is a Yoruba woman, and she's always speak bad about Igbo people. So just take one of your time and listen to this our brother and see what he said concerning what the Yoruba woman said about Igbo people. So after you finish watching this video, do not forget to share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section, because your opinion matters a lot. What do you think that we Igbo people should do to her? Because she's always spoken bad about us, and we don't like it like that. So share this video and remain blessed.
Nigerians, you see this woman, a Yoruba woman, oh, you see the reason why Igbo will always be on top. We love everybody. You see, we be Igbo, we love everybody. It go hard when Igbo go carry camera sit. They talk about Yoruba, Hausa. They don't have that time. They don't get that time. This woman, I don't want to play the video because it's a Igbo people. They're everywhere, and they are doing their business everywhere. You know what it means to be Igbo, to be everywhere. Now, person will love you, they come meet you. Because of your hatred, if you say, una no dey our side. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, they food there. They do their business. They do their business. They peacefully, nobody they disturb them. But the question is that most of the business, what would they do for Igbo? They don't get that ball to compete with fathers of business. They don't feel compete with fathers of business. That is the problem. So they get their own. Hausa na onions, anything food, they did there to compete. They did there to suya, all those stuff. The Yoruba, which business where Yoruba they do? Where Yoruba go fit do successfully in Igbo? Do you know what it means to enter the lion's den? If you don't know how to eat bone very well, it go choke you now. So which business Yoruba fit do? Which business na muna talk make we know? Most business where Yoruba fit do, now work they work. They don't fit do business. Now work. Most of the big companies in Igbo, now Yoruba occupy them all. No Yoruba. Now Yoruba occupy every damn places. And we are not complaining. We are not complaining. That is where they find their faith. Tailoring, that is where they find their faith. So what are you not talking, Mrs. Madam? What are you not talking? Onoba, what are you talking? Hatred, the election period don't come now. Your master don't send on now. Hating on Igbo is dragging yourself down. That is one thing you need to know. Hating on Igbo will kill you, will buy you. Don't hate them. No, you can't make progress hating on the choosing the God's people. You can't. Be careful. I love Yoruba, I love Hausa. We not say una hate us, but when they use wisdom, now they hate us. Peace and love. Igbo buy is for everybody. But if you feel that you can compete, come. As all the company wait there for Igbo, most of the top position there are Yoruba people. Now Yoruba people occupy them all. You don't day one day where we come out, they do riot, say Yoruba, no, we know if they for Lagos, occupy Lagos, come here, come. We know, see, you know one thing about Igbo. When you are doing we don't get time for you. We never even think about us. We are trying to move forward. to see new things, to create opportunities for ourselves. It means we have time for you, for what you are doing. No, we don't get time. Stop hating on Igbos. Stop hating on Igbos. Madam, stop hating on Igbos.
I am seeing a video of a man that say that people should kill Nnamdi Kanu, that he will give them 5 million naira. Nnamdi Kanu have lost the mother, lost the father in this same battle. Many Igbo people have lost their life in this same battle. Me, that I was summoned to Okija to come and swear. When the Okija messenger came, I told him, I am a light. I've been praying for over 190 something days for peace to reign in this country. God told me that Imo State is the #1 capital of Igbo land when the time comes. That there is a covenant boss that is buried in Olo. And I told you that 2019, that war will start from Olo. That a man will come up as a governor. They will call him. My name is Mala Jehovah. I am the voice from the east. I love everybody and I love peace. The way that we are sharing blood in Igbo land is alarming. I am seeing a video of a man that say that people should kill Nnamdi Kanu, that he will give them, that he will give whosoever that kills Nnamdi Kanu 5 million naira. That man, I don't want to mention your name because I don't want to make you popular. You don't want it. I am a woman. Nnamdi Kanu have lost the mother, lost the father in this same battle. Many Igbo people have lost their life in this same battle. Since I entered this life, I have been traveling to different countries. I saw peace and love. I saw equity, harmony. But I entered this Nigeria that everyone is dreaming to be inside it. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Efik, that are supposed to love themselves. We are raising dust, fighting ourselves. Instead of equal rights, we decided to be killing ourselves and be sharing blood. Mwekuke Aturocha opened his mouth and said he will give one of us 5 million to kill Nnamdi Kanu. Haven't he suffered enough? Haven't we tortured him enough? Even the leaders, I know many of them have conscience of human being. Although some of them, they don't have human being conscience. But then let me tell you, even if you kill me today, death will still be happening. Even if you try to silence me to murder the truth, the truth will still be coming up. The prophets of the old that I know, they stand in the truth. They don't fear who will kill them. But the prophet of this time and the prophetess of this time, all they do is to collect money. They will see truth and turn it upside down so that nobody will kill them. Read the book of Matthew chapter 10. Read it from verse 1 to end. God said, Jesus said, which is God, he told us what we will pass through as messengers, as ministers. Yes, at times you might be afraid. But when God says speak, you need to speak up. How can you ask people to kill your brother? You are just doing it to get attention from government. But if the government of Nigeria is still the government I used to know, from the time of Abubakar, Babangida, and the rest, I know a lot of things happened that time. Obasanjo, I know a lot of things happened. But these people were still the man of honor. Although nobody have ever ruled people, and they say that the person is good. Since I entered this life, no pastor is good in the eyes of people. No leader is good in the eyes of anyone. But they are still dragging the seat. What kind of wickedness is this? This man have lost his father. This man lost his mother. This man's life had been scattered because it was a sign that is how his life will be. And you want to add salt, kabad, to the injury. That young man that said that, watch your generation. God will raise somebody like Nnamdi Kanu from there. You will be dragged to the mud. Write it somewhere. I am a messenger. I am a born deity, as God made me to be. The other time, God asked me to talk to Okija people. When I talked to them, they brought letter to me that I was summoned to Okija to come and swear. When the Okija messenger came, I saw him krokro. He was wearing bossas, red, tying white on his head with cowries. Very naked. He was very fair, handsome young man. If you see him, if you are a woman, spiritual, if you see him, you will trip for the man. The original messenger of Okija. I told him, I am a light. My name is Inyang Obiranama, known as Mara Jehovah. You cannot invite me for judgment. He told me that so many reports that they received was some members of my ministry was giving a letter to come and swear that I tear the letter. I told him I did not tear the letter. If you have spiritual eyes as you are, and you are still the powerful deity of the whole Igbo land, that you will know whether I tear the letter or not. Or if I told them not to go, that the judgment will be handled spiritually. My dear, let me tell you, when the day evil was born, the one that would destroy the evil was also born. I am a man woman, but women, there are many of them that are greatest masquerade. That young man, Ajali Igbo, will wage war against you and your generation. Your money will disappear. Your kobo, even the 5 million, you will not see 1,000 to eat again. Mark it somewhere. I've been praying for over 190 something days for peace to reign in this country. For Igbos to see Yoruba as their own. For Hausa to see Igbo as their own. For everybody to be in peace. Do you want to run me mad? Everywhere is problem. And you have the audacity to come online and say you will give 5 million to somebody that will kill Nnamdi Kanu. Do you know how much that have been paid for him to be killed? And they could not kill him. And you think it's you that is water that is inside the spoon. Ocean could not swallow him. But you that is water that is inside the spoon, you think you can swallow him. You have built the drum of shame for you and your family and generation. I am now taking birth from you, that man. I'm a woman. You are now my fellow woman. Let the land of Igbo, the land of Hausa, the land of Yoruba, the land of Benin, the land of Calabar, Efik, let them bear witness of today. They will destroy you before God will even look down to see if you are still existing. Wicked soul. My name is Mara Jehovah. I am from Abreba. I love peace. I don't see things for spiritual world. I go tell you story where your father never tell you before. But that is not my mission. My mission is for love and unity. I don't know if there is still old men in Yoruba land. I don't know if there is still old men in Hausa land. Let it not be we are only after our belly, after what we will gain. I don't know if there is still old men, adults, elders in Igbo land. How can we be in the land and the goat that is pregnant will die on the rope or the leash? Let us be careful. Oh. Many of you knows very well that I have never come out and speak and it refused to come to pass. This drum of war, many of you are beating. If this war starts, none of you can stand it. My dear, many of you think that I am against Imo State. Check it somewhere. My #1 assistant was from Mbitolu in Imo State. Her name was called Love. And she also started answering my name, Battle Ass. She's from Imo State. She treated me well. When she was my assistant, she loves me so much. She bath me. If we go to a pro evangelism, she will bath me and dress me. We will go. If we come back, she will bath me, dress me. If people come to see me, you must pass through her. When she was around me, if not the greedy of the mother, when she was around me, I had peace. I was in peace. She was treating me like a mother. The love of mother that I have never seen in life. That battle was giving it to me. She protected me with everything in her. She was so educated. The people that deceived the mother and used the mother against me and her was living church people. I know they hide my voice to say it. Living church. They are the one that took her to Ghana. They use her and drop her. Now she's suffering in Ghana. I've been looking for a way to get her because she deserves to be happy again. Despite that she did not follow me to the end. They bridged her on the way. It wasn't her fault. She's from Imo State. And that is why, since my life, Imo State people have been loving me. That's why how the enemy have been pushing many of them to fight me. Because I said the truth. But yet, till today, Imo State have never bridged their love for me. They have never bridged their love for me. There is another one. They call her Chinaza. She's from Imo State. She used to call me her word. But the enemy came in and scattered the thing. Me, I leave it for God. My dear, let me tell you people. I see things that people cannot see. God told me that Imo State is the #1 capital of Igbo land when the time comes. That there is a covenant boss that is buried in Olo. That many people was searching in the spirit from north to know where the salvation of Igbos will come from, where they will rest their weapon. And they saw it was Imo State. And I told you that 2019 that war will start from Olo. And the people that will bring the war will come from north. And they will place somebody in a seat. That a man will come up as a governor. They will call him. I have forgotten his name. Ihedioha. Thank you. Thank you, my guardian angel. I appreciate. They will call him Ihedioha. But he will rule Imo State 6 months. They will remove him. And they will put another person. That from there, war will start from Olo. And it will reach Owerri. And the war will last 16 years. Many of you call me names. And today, it's happening. I can see what people cannot see. I can hear what many cannot hear. By the grace of God, not by my making. That is why if you come to me for solution, if it's something you will pay, I will tell you you will pay. If it's something I will do it free for you, I will tell you it is free. And I will tell you what you will do. You will get exactly what you want. And that is why if I give you oil or anything and ask you to use it, believe it or not, it must happen the way you want. You people should stop all this kata. I went to Cotonou November last year. I told them that president of Cotonou will be removed. Igbo people will start having problem in their markets in Cotonou. A lot of Igbos started fighting me from that Biafra market. And it did not pass 2 weeks. It came to pass. If not the president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that sent army people to Cotonou to go and fight for the president of Cotonou. My dear, let me tell you, I am not more qualified than you. I am not better than you. I am the voice from the east. I am an angel of peace. I don't do counseling online. Do you hear me? I have only 2 phone numbers. I don't do counseling online. My name is Mara Jehovah. I am from Abriba Nachoken, the only small London in Igbo land, in Ohafia local government. God bless you.